In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset forgot iPhone screen time passcode. So let's go ahead and start by opening the settings app on your iPhone. And once you're inside, just take a second to scroll through because we're looking for the screen time section, which is where all of your restrictions and passcode controls are managed. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on it so we can move into the next part of the process. Now that you're inside screen time, this is basically where your iPhone keeps track of usage limits, app restrictions, and security controls tied to screen time. What we want to do here is find the option that says change screen time passcode. So go ahead and scroll a bit until you see it, then tap on it to continue. After tapping on that, you'll see a couple of options related to changing or turning off your screen time passcode. At this point, you're going to choose the option to turn off the screen time passcode first, since we're trying to reset a forgotten one. Just tap on turn off screen time passcode and wait for the next prompt to appear. Now once that appears, you'll see the option that says forgot passcode. Go ahead and tap on that because this is the part that allows you to recover or reset access using your Apple ID information instead of the old passcode that you no longer remember. After tapping forgot passcode, your iPhone will ask you to enter the Apple ID email address that was originally used to set up screen time. Just type it in carefully, making sure there are no mistakes, since this is how your identity will be verified for the reset process. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and tap OK at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the next step where you'll need to confirm your account by entering your Apple ID password, so just proceed when you're ready. Now type in your Apple ID password carefully, and once you've entered it correctly, tap OK again. This step is important because it confirms that you are the rightful owner of the account and allows the system to proceed with resetting your screen time passcode. After that, your iPhone will process everything and reset your screen time passcode automatically. You don't need to do anything else at this point, just wait for it to complete and it will take you back to the screen time settings once it's done. At this stage, your screen time passcode should now be successfully reset, meaning you can go back in and set a new one if you want, or adjust your restrictions freely without being locked out by the old code. It's basically like getting a fresh start with your screen time controls. If you ever forget it again in the future, the same process applies, and as long as you remember your Apple ID credentials, you'll always be able to recover access without needing to reset your entire device. And that's really all there is to it. You've now successfully reset your forgotten iPhone screen time passcode using your Apple ID and built-in recovery options.